Currency. The local currency in Japan is the Japanese yen. Exchange rate. Always check the exchange rate before converting your money. Bureau de change. I found a good bureau de change at the airport to convert my dollars. Transaction. The bank records every transaction made on your account. Commission. Some exchange services charge a commission for their services. Convert. You can convert your euros into British pounds at the bank. Foreign currency. Before traveling, I always make sure to have some foreign currency. Local currency. When in Vietnam, the local currency is the Vietnamese dong. Fluctuation. Currency exchange rates are subject to daily fluctuation. Banknote. I paid for the souvenir with a $50 banknote. ATM. You can withdraw local currency from an ATM using your credit card. Value. The value of the dollar can change against other currencies.